Ike, how you feeling, buddy?
I feel so good.
You're feeling so good?
Yeah, because I, I think they're going to be, I think they're going to put a pencil on me.
They're gonna put a what on you?
A pencil.
A pincher? Where are they gonna put it?
I mean a shoulder.
A shotter?
Yeah.
They will when you go to sleep. Don't worry about it. Are you excited to be here?
I'm going this one.
Yeah, you can do that. Can you say,
I love you.
I love you too?
I can't listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
I'm not allowed to say anything until I go to sleep. What happens if I wake up?
If you wake up while they're in your mouth, they'll say, go back to sleep. And you go back to sleep. You won't wake up.
Because I have the... But
I think it's your doctor.
I'm Kristen. I'm going to be the nurse in the operating.
Oh, it's a
Isaac?
Yes, ma'am.
I am right here.
You're right here, huh? Do you have your name bracelet?